Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to show you around this lovely 2018 68 plate Mini Cooper Convertible. Now this is a lovely car. You can tell it's truly been cherished by the previous owners. Fantastic factory options. But the car itself is finished in this lovely dark blue metallic paintwork which looks absolutely superb. Now with that we've got the contrasting black, jet black hood. We've got black alloy wheels, lots of bright silver accents. So on your headlamp surrounds, tail lamp surrounds, your grab handles. But on this vehicle we've got LED daytime running lights, lower fog lamps. We're riding on these lovely 16-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels. All four alloys, they're in nice order, riding on nice tyres. Then looking down the side of the car, you'll struggle to find any sort of dents or dings. This is a very well kept example. Then quickly peeking our head inside, we've got a full cloth sports seat. Now these seats are in fantastic order. It's never been smoked in, no signs of any sort of rips or tears. And then looking into the cabin, we've got a leather multifunction steering wheel. We've got the bigger screen on this one as well, so I'll show you through to that in just a moment. But then coming back through to the rear, we've got the Cooper badges, just to say that this is the faster, bigger brake horsepower vehicle. You've got your rear parking sensors as well. Looking through to the boot, you've got quite a bit of luggage space for the size of the car. You can definitely get all your shopping in there. You've got split folding rear seats, and then you've also got easy load, so when you pull these tabs up, the whole boot opens up and gives you a wider loading area. We've got the nice lights on the rear. And then looking down the passenger side, that's in nice order as well. Coming through to the interior, we've got our multifunction steering wheel. The vehicle is supplied with both keys. We've got two keys there. As we're doing the video, this vehicle's only covered 46,128 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. We've got our limiter, voice command, Bluetooth phone, all our volume and media controls. Lights are found just down there. Full onboard computer. And then coming through to the center display, you've got your satellite navigation, which is very nice and easy to use, very responsive. My Mini, Mini connected, multimedia, so you've got all DAB stations there, climate control with air conditioning, automatic stop start, traction control, 6-speed manual transmission, the center scroll wheel and the buttons around it for the display. Both keys are just there. We've got haze grey detailing in the cabin. You've got all the Bookpacks there, locking wheel nuts supplied with the vehicle as well. But this is a very nice example. So, if you'd like anything further on the car, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. We've got some fantastic finance deals. If you're after a part exchange price, we'll happily get one for you. But thank you for watching the video and we look forward to your inquiry.